Chennai is going to make history this Sunday, February 22nd, from YMCA Nandanam grounds from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. The world's largest peace gathering in 200 countries, reaching 200 crore people. You might have seen the video, February 5th, 2 weeks ago, President Donald Trump was with me, and American Speaker Johnson, Mike Johnson, endorsing the summit together. What is the purpose of this peace rally? To stop 58 major wars. As you have seen me addressing the American US Kansas Parliament last month, January 15. If you don't have, we will provide you that video. You can just Google Dr. K.A. Paul, US Kansas Parliament. India should lead. In 2002, in Marina Beach, 24 years ago, I conducted the similar peace festival where lakhs of people supported. Madam Jayalalitha did not come, did not support. Central minister, chief ministers, many ministers came. And she was defeated. She lost all 38 seats. And today, then she hosted me when I landed with humanitarian aid for Tamil Nadu during tsunami 2004 December. She graciously, humbly hosted me. And campaigned, she won again in 2014. The present Chief Minister Stalin also shockingly, after I met with him, some Mr. Paul Dhanakaran related to Udayanidhi spoke to him, he did not support. I came to know Mr. Paul Dhanakaran is related to Udayanidhi, his daughter, Paul Dhanakaran's daughter, and some Udayanidhi relation. It's okay. But peace is supported by everybody. This is not a political meeting. BJP government is supporting. You see the names of the 12 political parties MPs. Congress government is supporting. DMK, 5-time MP Tiruchi Siva also attended my summit in Delhi. 7 major religious leaders, Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, Christian, Jewish also attended. 200 countries except China, North Korea, Iran, one more country, Russia. All are supporting, and like 7 territories are not supporting. This is a historic event for Chennai. 2002, we stopped the major war between India and Pakistan. I was invited by Pakistan leaders and was vice prime minister. Now also, every president is attending. Every world leader is supporting. Why the local chief minister is not responding, not attending, I don't know. But today they gave police permission at 1 o'clock. This gentleman, I don't know the remember, Balraj was there 48 hours ago in the Park Hotel where I invited the press reporters short notice. And I told Chief Minister Stalin, within 48 hours, if you give police permission, God bless you. If not, I will go to the honorable court and get the permission. Exactly 1 p.m. Wednesday, within 48 hours, today 1 p.m., they gave police permission to conduct the meeting. Now I am inviting the respected Chief Minister. I met him. He invited me. Why he changed his mind? I don't know. This space festival will put Chennai on the map of the world. Just like 1989 till now, we put Hyderabad on the map of the world. At that time, Chandrababu Naidu was MLA, Rajshekar Reddy was MLA. I brought Bill Gates, Bill Clinton, 700 companies. This is exactly what I told respected Chief Minister Stalin in my 90-minute meeting. This is, but why this festival is given permission today? How I can bring international media in one day? How I can bring Reuters, AP from 200 countries today? I requested the permission 1 month ago, 33 days ago, in writing. They just gave 1 p.m. today. Shocking. I am not against Stalin government. I am not in support of any political party. This is a peace festival. But Bible says pride comes before destruction. American President Trump and speaker supporting, we will give you the video. 20-second video. Please play. Because this festival, bigger than World Cup in South Africa, is $8 billion. Only 80 million people reached. You know, my following in 200 countries with 200 crore people. Why? I don't take money. I don't take offerings. I have supported in Chennai 10,000 widows every month since 2002. Now I am ready to support 25,000 widows in Chennai from June 30th. Those who come register Sunday evening. We created 30 lakh jobs in Hyderabad through 700 companies. Google, Microsoft, World Headquarters, I brought them. And I think you know that. If not, investigate. But why? 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 One Paul Dhanakaran, because related to his daughter, related to Mr. Udayanidhi, deputy CM in what way? Why? They should stop a global peace festival. I only agreed to this after CM Stalin agreed to host Mr. Satya Seelam Govinda was there in our 90-minute meeting. Today only first time I am releasing CM Stalin picture with me. I never released it. Today I am releasing. So I am asking respected Chief Minister, please come immediately. Do your best to support this peace festival. Come at least for 1 hour, 8 to 9 p.m. Just like every president comes, they speak 2, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You speak the plan for Tamil Nadu, no problem. AIDMK, welcome. Congress, welcome. BJP, welcome. Anybody else, welcome. Even through you, I'm extending invitation to that young actor Vijay also. Because this is not a political rally, but supported by 18 political parties of India, including the Congress and BJP. You read the letters, you see the videos. But if the local chief minister refuses to support, give us the reason why. You should have told me 30 days ago. We could have conducted. Meghalaya CM Conrad Sangma is asking. Andhra CM Chandrababu asking. Telangana CM Ravant Reddy asking. But why Tamil Nadu? Because Tamil Nadu, Chennai is the city that stopped India-Pakistan war in 2000. You saw, some of you old enough, you might have seen my Global Peace Festival in Marina Beach, lakhs of people, dozens of member of parliament, Aram Naidu, even Govinda, one Johnny Lever actors also came. Very important. For three reasons, CM Stalin should come and support. Number one, this is a state where disciple of Jesus, Saint Thomas started the peace meeting. That is why Catholics, CSI, Methodist, your Anglican, no? Anglican Archbishop, all are supporting. You saw them with me. February 9th, 3,000, 4,000 bishops and pastors were there. All are supporting. All Telugu and Christian voters are 25-30%. If you don't want their votes, you will be ex-chief minister after May. Article 14 says Constitution, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, equality, right to life. Article 19, Article 25, religious freedom, which I am arguing in the Supreme Court. May 23rd, August 1st, Honorable Justice Suryakant ji passed the bill after I argued 2 times to ban the betting app, supporting peace, promoting Tamil Nadu globally, and promoting Christians and Telugus and youth, unemployed youth and widows. Humanitarian, peace, and all political leaders support. 3 reasons. I'm inviting openly. I didn't come to the press meet. Thank you for inviting me, Mahesh and others. I am honored. Any questions, please feel free. Because there is no peace without political involvement. Politicians are creating wars. If you heard my speech January 15th in America, you saw the members of parliament, senators clapping their hands, every Republican, every Democrat. What was my speech? 58 wars, costing trillions of dollars, killing millions of lives. You guys, who you American warmongers, global warmongers, for their financial agenda, 3 trillion income, creating politicians create war, religious fight. I'm advisor to 155 presidents, attended my meetings, including 6 American prime ministers, President Prime Minister Modi, previous Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, before Prime Minister Devagowda Vajpayee, Chandrasekhar. All of them attended my meetings. American presidents, Trump, before that Biden, before that Obama, before that George W. Bush, before that Bill Clinton. 17 lakh attended my meeting in Washington. But I love Chennai. This is a place of St. Thomas, the disciple of Jesus. Tamil Nadu is not developed. Crores of people are suffering. Lakhs of people without job. Crores of people without proper food. You see how we built Hyderabad. Since 1989, I started global ministry. 1981, I started national ministry. 81. I have to invite politicians. Today, they gave permission. Why not 1 month ago? Tell me what I will do in one day, tomorrow. How Americans will come. Speaker of the House was ready to come. I cannot lie, permission was given 1 p.m. today. How the world would come in one day? Please. No, no, no. I am warning Chief Minister Stalin. What happened? No, no. Blackmail is completely different than Sama, Dana, Peda, Dandapai. Three 3 years ago, I personally met Honorable Chief Minister Stalin and discussed in detail 90 minutes. I gave my plan to develop Tamil Nadu because I am a giver to all. God used me to donate $62 billion white money, more than 5 lakh crore. I'm waiting. Finally, Chief Minister Stalin's Member of Parliament Shiva attended the summit in Delhi. BJP, Congress, all attended, BRS team, all the political parties. He said, welcome, 1 minute. Then I sent my delegation, Bishop Satya, Reverend Yesupadam, my brother-in-law, who coordinated in 108 countries, and Mr. Devasayam, Mr. Local, one Edison, all. Mr. Ranganathan met with Udayanidhi January 3rd with my letters. They said, welcome. We requested police permission 3 times: December 23rd, January 3rd, January 7th, January 21st. If you include last week, I met Kanimol, Member of Parliament, Stalin's sister, on Friday, exactly a week ago, coming from Delhi, airing a flight 3:45 to 6 p.m. Arranged by aviation head without ticket. They arranged my flight to sit with her and invite her. She said, wait, we will invite Honorable Chief Minister. I waited Saturday and Sunday at ITC Grand Chowk. No phone calls. We are in touch with Chief Minister Stalin's direct appointment secretary. We have the proof. Principal secretary and through retired Mr. IPIS Varaprasad, retired principal secretary, Honorable Ranganathan, who is close friend of Mr. Stalin and Uday, and our local Edison and bishops. And they met 6 ministers. So Mr. Stalin knows. What I found out only yesterday night at 9 o'clock, one Mr. Paul Denekaran, one local evangelist, he and his father came and met with me 99 in my charity city. I donate money. They were in bankruptcy. Father Dinakaran I respected. I met him, sent him private plane, gave him donation, went to Karunya, solved their problems. 99, February 23rd. Thereafter, I never met him again. They never asked money. Meeting is over. But why he is conducting same day, February 22nd, another meeting? I came to know Mr. Udayanidhi Paul Dinakaran planned this to stop our meeting. But Chief Minister is Mr. Stalin, not Udayanidhi, not Paul Dinakaran, or Pastor Mohan on Assemblies of God. Talking. Nowhere in the world I faced this in 44 years. You saw my rally in Nigeria, 70 lakh people, 54 presidents, including in 2003 George W. Bush, 54 African presidents. My rally in South Africa, 39 presidents. My rally in Chennai, 2002 June, lakhs of people, dozens of members of parliament from all parties. 2,200 rallies. I never take offering. I never blackmail anybody. But because this entire plan is sabotaged by 2, 3 people, I try to meet secretly all of them, Mr. Chief Minister. I don't go to meet chief ministers. I went to meet Mr. Stalin. Chandrababu Naidu came to my meetings 22 times as chief minister. Modi ji came, Kejriwal came, Revanth Reddy came, KCR came. I don't know who all you know. But that's every chief minister, prime minister come to take my blessings. I don't go to them, but I went humbly. We called, we waited. I am here for one reason, peace festival and development of Tamil Nadu and to promote Chennai to the world. But if you are blocking me everywhere for months and months, what do? I prepared court case yesterday. My Supreme Court lawyer, she should sit with me, is Tanai, flew in yesterday. We are filing house motion today, 10:30. They said we will give permission. I said by 4 p.m. if you don't give, We will move house motion by 5:30. They gave police permission 1 p.m. But that is disturbing. You tell me how I can bring the world leaders in one day. Thank you.
So, sir, if Karur incident, police are receiving the permission.
Huh?
Because of Karur incident, where I think 42 people died, maybe because of that.
So I am Stalin not to conduct any meetings. He is conducting at YMCA grounds today. If he doesn't want to give permission to gospel meetings, peace meetings, Vijay meetings, ADFK meetings, Congress meetings, let him also not conduct any meeting. Article 14. You cannot one rule for one person, another rule for another person.
Excuse sir. Generally, people know DMK government is supported or favor to minorities. But in this issue, are you suspected anyone hidden agenda for DMK government, or
Simple,
anyone try to stop this summit?
simple, very good question. I have a track record for 44 years, conducting 2,200 peace rallies in 155 countries, including Chennai 97 June 2002 June. Did I do any harm? I gave crores of rupees to Chennai and Tamil Nadu. 10,000 widows, 10,000 pastors, thousands of youth. It's my track record. I don't know who is DMK, what is DMK, or AIDMK, or Congress. Whoever supports peace rally, God will bless them. Whoever opposes peace rally, God will remove them from power. Don't misuse your power. Simple. If Chief Minister Stalin would come Sunday, we will bless him, we will support him. If he doesn't come, we will not pray for him, we will not bless him. That's his right. Whether he comes or not is not my right. But not giving permission for 1 month, police permission, is a complete misuse of his authority as the chief minister. He advised 155 presidents. I've written a book on Save America and the World from Trump. Save India from Modi. There Trump, here Modi. I don't fear politicians. I respect them. But if they blackmail, sabotage, destroy the development of the state and the country, I have my right. Article 19, right to life. Article 21, Article 19, freedom of speech. Article 25, religious freedom. There are wonderful courts. I am arguing in AP High Court, Telangana High Court, Supreme Court. Thank you very much.